Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today I've had quite a few viewers actually reach out and ask me for an update on this unit here. This is supposed to be able to kill mosquitoes so that way you don't ever have to worry. So let's talk about it. Does it work or not? Let's get started. Alright, so a couple of things. You may remember from the previous video I did on it, if you saw, I actually had it suspended up in my gazebo and hanging from up high. I had a couple of viewers actually mention I think they're supposed to be low to the ground, such as this. So without making a video on it, I did actually move it. I put it on, this is just a shepherd's hook, decorative shepherd's hook, and I put it on there. We're about 2.5 feet from the ground now, just like the instructions would say. And I do have it running, I've had it running non-stop since the spring. I did turn off the power, of course, over the winter, but I have had it running non-stop. So it has that UVB bulb in there to attract the different critters, and then the fan that pushes them down into this trap, and that's supposed to keep them from being able to fly out. So I've had this now probably about a year, so last season and then this season. So just turning it off here so I can actually open it up. Let me see if I can bring this trap here. I've emptied it one time this year, or at the beginning of the year, so I have not emptied it. You can see some bugs flying out now. I have not emptied it actually since I emptied it in the spring. So let's take a look in here. Hoo-wee. So that's all the bugs. You just empty that out, just dump it straight into the garbage can. And there's some bugs still alive in there, but obviously they were trapped and couldn't move. Looks like we've got some mostly moths. All right, so if you care for moths, things like that, you wouldn't want to use this type of contraption. There are a lot of mosquitoes in there. It's hard to see because mosquitoes actually, they dry out. They're really hard to tell when they dry out, but there are quite a bit of mosquitoes in there. There's some June bugs. So it's definitely doing a great job killing bugs. Now, is it 100% mosquito killer? Does it keep your yard free of mosquitoes? The answer is most definitely not. I cannot, come dusk, I have so many mosquitoes out here that I can't really enjoy this. This thing is the 1/4 acre, right, I believe, and I have a 0.33 acre, so a little bit, you know, and I have to double check to see if it's a 1/4 or a half, and I'll put that in on the screen here. But either way, it doesn't cover that much space. Now, we could go about putting chemicals on our lawn and spraying, but the problem is, even when you talk to a company that would come out and spray the lawn for you, what it is that they actually can't guarantee anything. It only kills when they land on your lawn, but what about your neighbor's lawn? Unless everybody around you is actually spraying for them, it's never going to work. So there's no perfect solution to mosquitoes. However, there are some great articles about how mosquitoes fly, how they, you know, how you can actually put fans on to help with those if you want to enjoy your outside environment. But would I say this investment is worth the $100 or $150 that they are for this? No, honestly, you can see it does a great job. It does collect bugs. There are definitely a lot of mosquitoes in there that it definitely collected, so maybe it did save us some. But unfortunately, and I don't see any bees or pollinators in there other than moths. I guess you could consider pollinators. But I see no makeup of bees, a lot of June bugs, a lot of moths that are really attracted to it. After a year, the fan's still running great, even out in the weather conditions. So I would have to say that the thing does work well, just not for mosquitoes. Sorry. very short video, guys. Sorry it took so long for an update. I really wanted to give it a chance in this type of setting versus, you know, high up above. I would say this one works a lot better, to be honest. But there you have it, guys. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I haven't been putting a lot of videos out lately. I've got another business going where I'm a handyman on the side. As you know, I like to build things. So I've been very swamped with that business. So I hope you guys are still enjoying the videos, and please leave a like, comment what you thought about this. Do you have one that you feel like it works for you? And you know, we'll go from there. See, hopefully everybody's take on it. So I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your gardens. Thanks for watching.